Good morning, dear class children. We are doing trigonometry. Problems on identities, trigonometrical formulae. Prove that sin cube theta plus cos cube theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin cube theta minus cos cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 2. We have to prove that, we have to show that LHS is given, we have to show RHS. We have to bring the answer to. So it is in the form of LHS. What is LHS? Sin cube theta plus cos cube theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin cube theta minus cos cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube by a plus b plus a cube minus b cube by a minus b. Now write the expansion product factors. A cube plus b cube. In place of a, there is a sin. A cube is sin cube, b cube is cos cube. Here a is sin theta, b is cos theta. Then expand the formula. Factors, write the factors. It is a plus b of a squared minus ab plus b squared by a plus b plus a minus b of a squared plus ab plus b squared by a minus b. Now a minus b cancel. A plus b cancel. What we get here, see, a squared minus ab plus b squared. First. Second, plus a squared plus ab plus b squared. Plus ab minus ab cancel. We get a squared a plus a squared. 2a squared b squared b squared 2b squared. Taking 2 common, a squared plus b squared is left. In place of a, let us write sin squared. So this is nothing but 2 of sin squared theta plus cos squared theta. Now sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. 2 into 1. That is 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Like this. We have to prove sin cube plus cos cube by a plus b. So cos sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. It is a cube minus b cube. Write the formula, simplify, then we will get last line 2a square plus 2b square. Take 2 common, a square plus b square. In place of a, write sin square theta. In place of b, write cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, answer is 1. 2 1 are 2 left. And one more question. Show that that sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to 2 cosec theta. We have to prove from LHS to RHS. LHS to RHS. Take LCM, right? Take LCM first, LHS. Left hand side. Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. LCM. Sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now, sin theta into sin theta. Sin square theta. Plus 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta whole square. 1 second. LCM. Sin theta into sin theta. Sin square theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta whole square. Now, sin square theta plus 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Expand under a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2a. Expand a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2a formula. You can write 2ab in the middle also. Now, denominator as this sin theta of 1 plus cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So in place of this sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2 cos theta by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Take 2 common in the numerator. Taking 2 common in the numerator, we get 2 plus 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, cancel. So what we get? 2 by, here sin theta is sin. So 2 by sin theta. 2 by sin theta is nothing but 2 cosec theta is the answer. Right. Next. Same problem, different. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus, so that plus 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to 2 sec theta. Taking LCM, cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Here cos theta into cos theta. LHS. Sin cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta whole square. Now expand the formula, 1 plus sin theta whole square. Cos square theta plus s, it is under a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into sin theta by cos theta of 1 plus sin theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 sin theta by cos theta of 1 plus sin theta. Taking 2 common, 1 plus 2 sin theta by cos theta of 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta cancel. So we get 2 sec theta. 2 sec theta RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. 2 sec theta. 2. For every problem you make 2. Here also like 2 are equals 2 cosec theta. 2. Like this. Formula, add the formula in the black box. These are the fun problems. Now, do that. Cot theta minus cos theta by cot theta plus cos theta is equal to cosec theta minus 1 by cosec theta plus 1. We have to show from LHS to RHS. Write LHS. LHS. Cot theta cos by sin. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta formula. Now cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta whole by cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Oh. This is LHS. Cot can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Not only we have to take LCM in the numerator. So this is LCM is sin theta into cos theta. Now cos theta of minus sin theta into cos theta whole by cos theta of minus sin theta into cos theta by denominator sin theta by sin theta by sin theta cancel denominator. Now what we get, taking cos theta common, 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Here plus here 1 plus sin theta. The denominator plus is there, so maintain plus here, right plus. By sin theta after taking LCM we can cancel. Now here cos theta cancel. Now this is what we left, 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Sin theta, but in RHS asking reciprocals. Sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. Now we can write as 1 minus 1 by cosec theta by 1 plus 1 by cosec theta. Now cosec theta minus 1 by cosec theta whole by cosec theta plus 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta cancel. We get the remainder same. Cosec theta minus 1 by cosec theta plus 1, like this. Same. Once again we practice. So that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta plus sec theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin A by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. We know the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, and minus 1 is equal to tan square theta minus sec square theta. Right. This is main identity. Second identity. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Second identity, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. From that what we can write, plus 1 is equal to this plus tan square theta before the side and minus. But in the problem given minus 1, we can write tan square theta minus sec square theta. Okay. Here it is tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. In place of minus 1, we can write as tan square theta minus sec square theta. Tan theta plus sec theta plus tan square theta minus sec square theta whole by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. To write the denominator as it is. So don't disturb the denominator. I have given this a title for this problem DDT. Don't disturb denominator. Don't disturb denominator. To write the denominator as it is. Now here it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square factors a plus b into a minus b. Now tan theta plus sec theta into tan theta plus sec theta into tan theta minus sec theta. Factors by denominator same tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Don't disturb the denominator. Write as it is. Now tan theta plus sec theta taking common. Tan theta plus sec theta common. So we can taking sec tan theta plus sec theta taking common. Here remains 1 because we have taken complete term. So here remains 1. We have taken common outside. Side remains tan theta minus sec theta whole by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. By observation, plus 1 here, plus tan theta plus tan theta, minus sec theta minus sec theta. Whatever in the denominator, it is there in the numerator in into form. So we can cancel numerator and the denominator cancel. What is left? Tan theta plus sec theta. How to write tan theta? Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Sec theta can be written as 1 by cos. Taking LCM cos theta, we get 1 plus sin theta. Otherwise, sin theta plus 1. The same can be rewrite as 1 plus sin theta by cos theta rule. Like this.